Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring something really special. Finding joy in the simple things. You know, we often chase big moments of happiness, but sometimes it's the little things that matter most. I'm going to share 12 everyday joys that, if you appreciate, mean you're far happier than you might think. Let's embark on this journey of simple pleasures and discover how they contribute to our happiness. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, waking up early. There's something magical about the stillness of early morning. The world is quiet and there's a sense of peace that's hard to find at any other time. If you cherish these moments, you're soaking in a unique joy. It's not about productivity. It's about enjoying tranquility and setting a positive tone for your day. Now let's talk about the joy of a home-cooked meal. It's not just about the taste, it's about the entire experience, from preparing the meal to savoring each bite. If you find happiness in this, you're embracing a fundamental pleasure of life. It's a reminder of home's warmth and the joy of eating food made with love. Taking a walk in nature is up next. There's an indescribable joy in connecting with the natural world. If a simple stroll among trees or by a stream fills you with happiness, you're experiencing a deep connection with the beauty of life. It's these serene moments that remind us of life's simple wonders. Losing yourself in a good book is another simple yet profound joy. It's more than just an escape. It's a way to reduce stress, according to studies. If you relish this experience, you're not just entertained, but also promoting mental well-being. Keep turning those pages. Spending time with loved ones, it might sound ordinary, but it's a significant source of happiness. These moments of connection are more than just time spent together. They're memories being made, bonds being strengthened. If this resonates with you, you're finding joy in life's most meaningful experiences. Listening to your favorite song. We all have that one tune that lifts our spirits. Music's power to evoke emotions and memories is truly special. If this simple act of listening to a song makes you happy, you're tapping into a powerful source of joy. Now, appreciating a moment of silence. In our loud world, a moment of quiet can be rare and valuable. If you find peace in silence, you're experiencing a kind of happiness that many overlook. It's these quiet minutes that often bring clarity and peace. Laughing out loud. It's not just fun, it's healthy. If a good laugh brings you joy, you're not only enjoying a simple pleasure, but also boosting your health. Keep laughing and let this simple act continue to brighten your life. Savoring a cup of coffee. For many of us, it's a morning ritual that brings immense joy. It's about pausing to appreciate something we enjoy, a small act of self-care. If this resonates with you, then you're finding happiness in life's simple routines. Listening to the sound of rain. There's something soothing about it. If you find comfort in this, you're appreciating life's natural symphony. It's a reminder to slow down and enjoy the world's simple melodies. Pursuing a hobby just for fun. It's about doing something that brings joy without any external rewards. If you have such a hobby, you're finding happiness in your passions, a testament to your ability to make yourself happy. And finally, living in the present. Appreciating the now, the taste of your food, the laugh of a loved one. It's about being fully in the moment. If you find joy in this, you're truly happier than you realize. So what do you think? Do these simple joys resonate with you? If so, cherish them. They're reminders that happiness often lies in life's smallest moments. Share in the comments which of these joys you relate to the most. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on finding happiness in everyday life. Until next time, keep finding joy in the simple things.